What is up, guys? So this is sort of like a little bit of a sneaker gift guide, or just some advice or some ideas basically to what to give a sneakerhead as a gift, because we know it's coming to that point of the time of the year where gift giving is very prominent. So hope you guys get something out of this one. So let's get it. Yo, what is up, fam? Welcome back to the channel. This is KIXPLORE, where we talk everything about sneakers, lifestyle, travel, and a little bit of everything in between. And today we're talking once again about gift guides to what to give a sneakerhead basically. So I just wanted to kind of give you guys some ideas, because technically, a lot of people might have these already, but that's why I'm making a really big list, so that if there's something that sneakerhead or that person that you want to give a gift to that likes sneakers, they might not have this already. So, and I'm just trying to give you guys a lot of variety so that you guys can choose something that you guys like to give as well. Just a little bit of a disclaimer: some of these gifts or some of these kind of ideas are affiliate linked. Some of the affiliate links are from Amazon, so if you click on the link and you purchase something, I get a very, very small kickback from it, which helps grow the channel. But of course, you don't have to, it's totally your choice. But as long as you guys get the gift or the ideas that you need to give the gift, then that's all that really matters, isn't it? So let's get to the first idea or the first gift, shall we? So the first ones I want to be talking about is there's a number of like different things that go into the first kind of gift idea. It is Sneakerhead books. Now, I know a lot of different people, don't really read books nowadays. They rather read on their iPhones or their smartphones. Sorry. What I like about books is that sometimes the experience of a book is different to what you read on on your phone, on your smartphone or your tablet, because sneakerhead books I think it's more of an experience, especially when you look into the detail of the photography and the kind of content that they write up. And one of the kind of examples I could give you is the Complex Sneaker of the Year book. If you guys don't know who Complex are, they are basically a media company where you talk about a lot of different stuff like sneakers, streetwear, all those kind of stuff, everything in the culture. That's what the kind of things that they create content about. And usually every year they have a live talk talking about the sneaker of the year with a lot of different kind of sneaker influencers or people that are very known in the culture. So this is a really good book, because a lot of especially this year, a lot of the different sneakers that came out this year will be in that book. Another really cool book to give is The Shoe Dog. If you guys don't know, it's about basically Nike, how Phil Knight built it from Blue Ribbon all the way to the multi-billion-dollar company it is today. That's a really good book. Also, there's this one, The Ultimate Sneaker Book. That's right, and it's done by the local guys here in Melbourne from Sneaker Freaker. So if you guys haven't read any of Sneaker Freaker's stuff, definitely go and do it, because they have a lot of really good content. The photos are immaculate, and it's a really good way to kind of immerse yourself into the culture. They do a variety of stuff, the hype stuff, all the really high quality kind of different kind of sneakers and brands out there. They really introduce it to you. So that's what I like about the kind of Sneaker Freaker content that they create. So you can check them out as well. There's also a really cool coloring book. Now, I know a coloring book might sound really like childish or like for children kind of thing, but these are actually made for adults. And I came from design, so basically I used to draw sneakers and then color them in. So I think it's still really cool, because you kind of put your own concepts onto the coloring book, and maybe you never know, you might find a really cool colorway or different kind of design that you may really want to pursue or something. Kind of ignites the imagination and kind of that little fire of the sneakerhead designer inside you. And think about it as sort of like a Nike ID, but on a coloring book. The last book that I want to suggest to you guys is about reselling. This one's called The Complete Reseller Guide, something like that. And basically it helps you kind of understand the kind of ways that people that resell do their stuff. So I know a lot of people might have a different or an indifferent kind of perception of resellers, especially how many they get, how much money they make, and all the kind of different stuff. But this is sort of maybe like an insight into the world that they have to go through, because of course reselling not easy, and there's a lot of capital involved in all this kind of stuff. So maybe having a mindset into that kind of make you change your mind about like the kind of stuff that they have to do. That's not always just about money. It might even make you want to resell. So that's the kind of thing. I think that's what it's sort of like a really good investment to give to someone, you know, especially if they might want to be a reseller or something like that. So you could be like the reason that person got into reselling because you gave them that book. I don't know, but I think it's a really good gift. There's also these really cool sneaker AirPod cases. I think it's really totally unique. I mean, I think it's pretty cool because yeah, it adds a little bit of personality to your AirPod cases. There's different ones that you can get as well, so maybe if you can't get the actual sneaker, at least you can get the AirPod case. There's also sneaker phone cases out there. Now I don't know how legit they are, obviously, because they do have Nike products on them, but I think what they generally are the general kind of iPhone case, and they put like vinyl stickers on top of them. You know, still looks really dope, still makes a really cool gift. Another one is laptop skins. I don't know if people still do these, but I think they're still pretty cool. Basically it's like, you know, if you're really bored with the kind of face of the laptop, maybe you could put one of these skins on, like these ones from Sneaker Freaker. I think they're still pretty cool. Check them out. I don't really know if I should really promote this in terms of what it is, because it's the anti-creasing or anti-wrinkle sneaker protector. I have a kind of a love-hate relationship with this, but it just depends on you, because if you want your sneakers to stay uncreased, then this is a really good idea. This is a really good gift. But I do really believe that if you put these on, they kind of take away the comfort from your sneakers and take away the experience. I don't know, I'm just giving this idea to you guys because maybe you might have other people that might not have this problem, right? And they don't want their sneakers to crease. But me personally, I like it when I get my sneakers to crease because it shows character, or just buy sneakers that crease less, like Yeezys and stuff. Well, I don't know, it's totally up to you, but this is sort of like just an idea on what to give to a friend, especially you know, if they really are pedantic about the, you know, the creasing of their sneakers. So this is still a really good idea to give to them. There's also sneaker stickers. What I like this one because these usually come in like a pack of 100, so you could put on multiple different kind of gifts, so that like when you actually give them, it adds that kind of little special, like little extra, you know, to the gift, because you gave them stickers as well as the main gift kind of thing. There's also this really cool sneaker lamp or 3D kind of light that you can have as a night light. Maybe, you know, it's a really cool feature to put in someone's bedroom, and you know, just to turn it on at night, you can see it's like, ooh, it's a sneaker kind of thing. I don't know, that's a pretty good idea too. Another real good idea is to give them sneaker laces such as these. I don't know if you can see. Yeah. These are from the guys from Lace Space, so they do a lot of really good stuff. If you check out their website, there's a lot of great ideas there for sneakers. They do also do braids. I'll show you. So they also do braids right there. This one says KIXPLORE. So shout out to the guys from Lace Space. So definitely a lot of different kind of unique ideas that you can get from them as well. So check them out, please, especially because they're local guys. So please go and support your locals. You also may want to give them a sneaker keychain. I got a couple here. So there's these ones. You can get breads. You get these ones. I also got these ones as well. You know, there's always a different kind of ones that you can get online, depending on what you like and what the person that's going to receive the gift. You know, there's always different ones as well you can give to them. So a lot of different kind of ideas such as like that. Another little great idea is to give them like Sneakerhead artwork or that kind of hype beast artwork. I know the guys from Matt from 11. Do check out his stuff. He's got really cool kind of sneakers and also hype streetwear, and he adds them all together in this one really cool anime graphic kind of thing. So I really like all these kind of stuff that he makes. Very imaginative, very creative. I like that kind of stuff. There's also FNST. You can check him out. Check out the website. He does apparel and he does artwork as well. But the ones I like as well is the guys from Soul Prints. Something like this, you know. So it's basically like artwork that they could put on their walls to check out, and you know, I think it's really great because it's really simple to give as well, because they could send it to you. In like the actual rolled up version, and all you got to do is probably go to just a Kmart or some local framing company and just buy like a really cheap frame. They're not like, I think they're sometimes like $10 or less than $10, and then you can give them a really good gift, like wrapping it up and all this kind of stuff. I think it's a really good idea. So go check out some sneaker artwork places such as the ones that I gave down below. I got another one here, which is basically, I don't know if this is really Sneakerhead related, but it's like Uno cards. but with off-white. I know there's different kind of other brands as well, but I like the off-white version as well. Like maybe, you know, you could spend some time with each other trying to draw foring each other out. I heard that this game actually breaks up friendships and stuff, so be careful with these ones. Another great gift, especially if you want them to go more into the culture, is to get them a Michael Jordan, all right, pop vinyl kind of toy kind of thing, where they could put it on their, like, you know, desk or in the car kind of thing. I think it's a really good gift. I love these. And, you know, it's got Michael Jordan in it, man. It's a really good gift. Another one that I'd like to suggest to you guys is probably a sneaker cleaning service. Go check out the guys from the Sneaker Laundry. Shout out to Chase and all the guys there holding it down. So, yeah, the sneakers, you know, if you're a sneakerhead, you know, your sneakers are going to get dirty. If you don't want to clean them, or you want to clean them in like a whole collection, you like clean out your collection. Instead of you doing it, you can get these guys to professionally clean it, to do a really good job, make sure like it, you know, makes it all smell nice and that kind of stuff. So that's why I think it's a really good idea. Also, when you go to their website, they have other different kind of services and products you can give as gifts as well. So check out the Sneaker Laundry. They also have like sneaker display cases and all that kind of stuff. So I know Lace Space does it too. So check out those kind of ideas as well, because I don't know if you really want to give them like heaps of boxes and that kind of stuff, but get them started into their sneaker display case collection. You know, you give them one or give them a couple, so that when they put it up, you know, like it looks really nice with your sneakers. Like, don't leave your sneakers in the box. They really should be out being seen and all this kind of stuff. Give them some fresh air. Yeah, that's another idea to give to someone as a gift. Sneakerhead display cases. And basically the last idea that I could give to you guys where you can't really go wrong is just basically a sneaker gift card. Ask them where they get their sneakers from, and just go ask that place if they do like gift cards. Maybe you might not buy them a whole like off-white Air Jordan 1 kind of thing, so but at least you contributed if they really want it. But I do really believe that you know, going the extra mile, trying to analyze a person and then kind of thinking about what they want, going through the effort of trying to get that and then giving it to them, I think that's more special, you know, especially if you let them know it's like, oh man, I went through so much trouble just to get you this gift. Have a look around on what they might like and then just give that to them. But yes, these are basically some of the ideas I could give to you guys. Let me know what you guys think. Sorry if it's a little bit of a long one. I just want to give you guys as much ideas as I can so that you guys are well prepared to, because you might have heaps of friends, and if you're getting you know, different stuff to different friends, then you know, obviously you need more ideas. But yeah, I hope you guys learned something from it. Leave me down a comment in the comment section below what you thought was useful, what you actually liked. Do you have any of these kind of stuff? Go check it out, guys. Please leave a comment. I really want to start a conversation about this in the comments below. Once again, thank you for if you do click a link and then you do purchase something from it, I do get a small kickback. Once again, that helps grow the channel. Thank you. But if you don't want to, of course, I won't take offense to it. It's totally fine. And yeah, I hope you really got something out of this video. Thank you once again for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and like this video, and I shall see you guys in the next one. Peace.